My name is Halvor Lane. I'm representing Fieldbus International, also known as Fint. Today, I want to talk to you about the T280, the HART transmitter module supplied by Fieldbus International. The HART transmitter module that will allow you to connect a sensor element and convert the output from that sensor element to a 420 milliamp HART transmitter. The T280 is an extremely accurate HART transmitter. It contains a 24-bit ADC sigma delta converter that the resolution you can get with that is more than 16 million bits, which is a lot. The T280 is very flexible and can configure to support any kind of millivolt or milliamp signal. And you can convert that into any type of transmitter, pressure, temperature, flow, and so on. T280 is a round card. It is 65 millimeters in diameter. It comes with 3 screw holes for mounting the device within a transmitter. It comes with the possibility to add a terminal block so you can terminate the 420 milliamp HART signal. It comes with 2 sensor input channels. They are identical. Each of these 2 sensor channels have support for excitation current, so you can send excitation current from your measuring sensor, which could be a bridge sensor or temperature sensor, and the excitation current will then allow you to get a signal that you read back through these 2 wires. The ADC on the T280 is very, very flexible. You have the possibility to program the gain of the ADC. It has up to 128 times gain. All this functionality is supported by HART commands, so you can set the gain using a HART command. The output current is also programmable, so that the current that you excite your bridge with is configurable, programmable to suit the specific sensor element that you're using. T280 can be configured to be any type of transmitter. Pressure transmitter, temperature transmitter, flow transmitter, gas detector, level, whatever. And the input signal, being millivolt or milliamp, can then be converted to any of these types of transmitter. For each transmitter type, you have a wide variety of engineering units. And the T280 converts between these engineering units that allow your customer to select any unit that fits his application best. The T280 is a current syncing device connected to a 24-volt supply. The loop current runs through a 2-wire cable from the supply to the T280. The T280 regulates the current in the range 4 to 20 milliamp, proportional to the measurement taken in your sensor element. In the current loop, place a 250 ohm resistor. The HART communication takes place across this resistor. If you want to connect from a PC, Use a HART modem, plug that into the PC using an USB port, and clip the clips, HART modem clips across the 250 ohm resistor. Now you can communicate from any HART master HART application running in the PC with the T280. Fint is offering a special HART master, the SW02. The SW02 allows you to set up and configure the T280. Using SW02, you can set the gain in the ADC. You can set the bridge current, the excitation current. You can select the engineering unit classes. So you use SW02 as a OEM customer to configure your T280 to become the transmitter that is fitted for your application. This was a brief introduction to the T280. I hope you're finding that interesting. The T280 is, as you see, the most flexible, simple, and easy way to go from a sensor element to a HART transmitter, a HART compliant transmitter. If you found this presentation interesting, you can buy a starter kit from Fint and try it out. The starter kit comes with a T280, a SW02, and possibly a HART modem. That will allow you to test out the strength, the flexibility of the T280, and you will see whether it fits your application or not. Thank you for your attention.